Good morning class. Today we are going to start a new chapter from your second book and the title of the chapter is On the Face of It. We are going to start this chapter today. Before starting the chapter, we should come to know about the title. The meaning of the title is वास्तविकता के धरातल पर. And when we go further, so before that we should learn about the character of the story. Student, this story is about two characters. First character is Mr. Lamb and second character is Derry. Mr. Lamb is an old man and Derry is a young boy. So let's come to know who is Mr. Lamb and who is Derry. Now we are coming on Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb is an old man who lives in a big house. Mr. Lamb, as I described, that he is an old man and he lives in a big garden. He has no family. He lost one of his legs in a bomb explosion in the war. This is very important that he has no family. Means in such a big house he lives alone and he always reads the book. He has a big garden. He always do the gardening and he always remain busy in his job. Now further it is told he lost one of his legs in a bomb explosion in the war. So you can understand that Mr. Lamb has lost one of his legs in an explosion in an explosion in the war. So Lamb does not have one leg, so he has a till leg now. Derry gets into his garden by climbing over the garden wall. Now the garden of Mr. Lamb always remain open. It is open for everyone. People and children come and go from there. He feels happy when people come to meet him in the garden. So likewise, Derry is also a child. This is given, gets into his garden by climbing over the garden wall. Now question arises, who is Derry? As I explained in the starting of the chapter that there is two characters, we have come to know about the first character whose name is Mr. Lamb. Now we are coming on the second character and the second character is Derry. This is given Derry, a small boy, has a side of his face burnt as acid and had fallen over his face. Student, what type of problem does he face in his life? One side of his face is burned with acid. And this is given here, he feels that the face has destroyed all his life. He looks very ugly because one side of his face has been burned due to acid. That's why he always feels that the face has destroyed all his life. Due to this problem, he does not go outside of his house. He always feels, if I will go outside of my house, then what people will speak about me. Due to that fear, he never goes outside. The meaning of life for Derry has been totally changed. So students, you saw that there are two characters. First is Mr. Lamb and second is Derry. Mr. Lamb, he is also physically disabled person, and on the other side you are watching that Derry is also face problem. But you will see that the Lamb whose perception towards life is totally different from Derry. Now Derry will come in contact with Mr. Lamb. They both will become friends, and Derry will learn many things from Mr. Lamb. When you will read this chapter, when we will discuss about the further story, then we will come to know what will happen further. I hope that you have come to know about the main character of the story. Students, I will send you a PDF file. You will do your work in fair notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.